Okay. There's just going to be loads of outtakes. Okay, so what has been the best thing that you have taken from doing this course?
There's lots of wonderful things, incredible things that have happened to me since I started this course. But the best thing is how I feel about myself. I am almost 47 years old, and I have never felt so giving and wonderful and accomplished, and that I'm doing something for somebody else, not just somebody else, but another woman. I feel strongly that this has given me the ability to make another woman feel good in her own skin and feel better about herself. I'm telling you this because the handful of women that I have done, which has been what, 5 I've done, not one of them, I've had to push them all out of my studio because they want to stay. They want to hug me. They love it. They cry. They cry. They want to give me anything and everything that they have, because for so long they have felt really bad and they've gone through so much, a lot on their own. Even some people don't even have a good support system. I've heard crazy stories in just this short period of time that I've been doing it that break my heart. I'm a huge empath, so I take it home, and that's a bad thing. But what I've gotten out of this is feeling really good about helping another woman feel good in her own skin. That's the best thing.
It's so hard to explain the feeling, isn't it?
It is so hard to explain the feeling. I have said that so many times. I don't know if I even have the words in my vocabulary to describe the feeling that I get when they see their breasts. And they might not be perfect, but because I know it's hard, but they're pretty damn close,
You're
and they
good
think they're perfect.
and you're really good. How come you got so good, I wonder?
I think I love it so much.
Oh, I was
Number
queuing
one.
for
Number
compliments.
two, I have the best trainer to guide me and show me all these little teeny tiny things that are so, so important. Now, I did all kinds of reviews, not reviews, read all kinds of reviews to see who was the best trainer. If I was going to spend the money and the time and I was going to do something like this for women, I wanted to be trained by the best.
Oh,
Vicky, I know for sure, hands down, without a doubt, that you are the best. I have posted my work on other pages where women do this. I have shown other women this. My work is phenomenal, and I know it. And it's a mixture of two things. You, my number one best trainer, who I have
oh.
a very long time. I have seen every single post you have ever posted. I have read every comment. I have taken everything you've ever said and taken it in and held it. I respect it so much, but also my passion for
Yeah.
it is a big deal. If you don't have passion, this isn't for you. If you have passion, for this is it's
And
the
this
best
is
thing.
and this is the beautiful thing of it, is it can be something that allows you to feel so good about yourself. Honestly, like we were saying, it's so hard to express how, oh, just like I can't, how amazing it is when a woman feels amazing again. Also, though, on that side, I have women, like you say, that don't want to leave. They then pay me for eyebrows.
Yeah.
They keep coming back, and it's amazing. And it's not all
Yes.
like, people think it's completely, oh, I'm going to do it for free. You don't have to do them all for free. Just do a
No.
couple for free if you can,
Yeah.
and help the people
Nope.
that need it, and other people
Yep.
want to pay. But on top
Right.
of that, I'm forever doing eyebrows or lips on people because they love you, they trust you,
They trust you. Me too. As
they
a matter of
trust.
fact, the very first set of areolas that I did, I have now, since then, I have done her eyebrows, her eyeliner, and her lips. So she's had all four. I actually gave her her eyeliner for free because she paid for everything else. She didn't pay
Wow.
for areolas, but she paid for eyebrows and lips.
Yeah, yeah,
So yeah.
and the thing is as well, you don't have to do all your areolas for free, because people think it's a bit weird if you say, oh, they're all for free.
Yeah.
Just do your donations and have a price on your website, because a lot of women actually want to pay, and in the States they can claim it back through their insurance as well, can't they?
Yes, as a matter of fact, they can. And I can talk to you more about that. I don't know if you want me to do that now, but I did find out some information. So